how to delete your Reddit account on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually delete your Reddit account on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete your Reddit account on your iPhone, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is just open up your Safari browser and then go to reddit.com. So I will not do it from the app because the app has very limited features. So instead I want you to log in from your browser and then tap on the login option from the top right hand side. Choose a Google account to log into and then just sign into your Reddit account. So after you log into reddit.com from your browser, just tap on the three lines icon from the top right, scroll and then look for settings option, then go to account settings, which you see over here. So once you go to the option called account settings, just scroll down to the bottom under the account section and you'll find the option called delete account, which is at the bottom right. Just tap on the delete account button. It'll ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to delete it? So just tap on delete over here and then just tap on the option called continue, and then your account will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Reddit account on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.